Okay, so the first problem from today was that mute button right there was clicked, which mutes the whole board.
Yeah, so we got to make sure on the inside, I think this was muted, so take that off.
And what does that blue button do?
This switches whether you're on this is for streaming, this is the inside monitors, this is for, there's floor monitors, this is for the outside monitors. So this one's muted, but this is the main one here, the inside one. You gotta make sure that's on.
Okay, and then
so it looks like the projectors were receiving no input. If you can tell here, this is all black. So what you do on the Apple is you have to go to display preferences up here, under screen mirroring, and then we have to change display settings. So the refresh rate is 30 Hertz. I think it's automatically set to 50 or 60. So you switch to 30, and then you can see over on this TV, you've got a source again, and then
all of a sudden they're up there on the thing.
Yeah,
okay.
so it's probably set, it defaults to 60 Hertz, so you have to just change that to 30, and then we're good to go.
All right.